Once there was a small family living in a modest town, a father named Rahim, a mother named Salma, and their two children. They weren't poor, but they were always on edge financially. Every month, Rahim's salary would come, and within days it would disappear. Rent, groceries, school fees, and small luxuries all seemed necessary at the time. But by the end of each month, they had nothing left. No savings, no backup plan, just waiting for the next paycheck. They lived in a constant cycle of stress. When emergencies came, like a medical bill or a broken appliance, they had no choice but to borrow money. One day their car broke down and Rahim had to take a loan to fix it. That was the moment Salma said, "We can't live like this anymore. We need to take control." That evening they sat down with a notebook and decided to face the truth. Where was their money going? For the first time, they wrote down every expense from the past month. The results shocked them. They realized how much they spent on small things: online shopping, eating out, subscriptions they never used, and impulse purchases. It wasn't lack of income, it was lack of control. Salma then suggested, "Let's create a budget." At first, Rahim laughed. "We're not rich enough for a budget." But Salma replied, "That's why we need one." They began by dividing their income into clear categories: 50% for essentials like rent, food, and utilities, 20% for savings and debt repayment, 20% for future goals like children's education and emergencies, and 10% for fun or personal use. It felt strange at first, like giving themselves rules in a world where they used to spend freely. But as weeks passed, something magical happened. They started seeing progress. By tracking every expense, they began understanding the power of intention. Each dollar had a purpose. The first month, they saved a small amount. Not much, but it was a start. The next month, they saved more. Rahim even started packing lunch for work instead of eating out. They canceled unnecessary subscriptions and replaced weekend shopping trips with family picnics. Slowly, their savings grew, and their stress started to fade. They realized that budgeting wasn't about restriction, it was about freedom. Freedom from debt, anxiety, and uncertainty. 6 months later, when Rahim's company announced layoffs, they were ready. They had an emergency fund that could cover them for 3 months. They weren't desperate anymore. They were prepared. Their children also began learning from their example. Instead of asking for new toys every week, they started saving their allowance in small jars. The family began to see money differently, not as something that disappears, but as a tool that builds security. A year later, they finally took a family trip without using credit. That trip wasn't just a vacation. It was a celebration of discipline and teamwork. Rahim realized that financial peace isn't about earning more, but about controlling what you already earn. Budgeting gave them direction, and direction gave them hope. They learned that every big dream begins with small, consistent steps. Today, Rahim and Salma live comfortably, debt-free, and confident about their future. They now teach their children one golden rule: budgeting is the key to freedom. Their story is a reminder that money problems don't come from low income. They come from poor management. When you create a budget, you take control of your destiny. You stop being a slave to circumstances and start designing your financial future. So if you're living paycheck to paycheck, remember, it's never too late to start. Begin small, track your spending, and give your money a mission. One small change today can secure your entire future. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motivational money stories and lessons about building financial freedom through smart habits and discipline.